Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about measurement in length and measurement. Today, I will teach you measurement in capacity. Measurement in capacity. Students, our today's topic is capacity. So, first I want to explain you what is capacity. Capacity, that means the quantity of liquid, that is water, milk, oil, a container can hold is called its capacity. And different container have different capacity, and the standard unit for measuring capacity is liter. And liter, in short, we write liter as L and milliliter as ml. Students, you have to, in this capacity, also you have to learn the higher unit to lower unit. That means first one is KL, kiloliter, then hectoliter, and then decaliter, then liter, and then deciliter, and then centiliter, and then milliliter. That is the higher unit to lower unit. It started with higher unit to lower unit. Students, I told you that when we will change from higher to lower, that time we use multiplication. We use multiplication symbol. Multiplication symbol. Multiplication symbol means we use multiplication. One example I will take. Suppose I will tell you to change the 7 liter to milliliter. Liter. That is, see here in the table, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Means liter is here and milliliter is here. And see, 1 liter, that is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. Then 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. We are changing from the higher unit to lower unit to what we will do? 7 liter. What I told, we will use multiplication. 7 liter, that means 7 multiply 1000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter. Students, if you will not able to remember the values, then you just remember these things. This table, if you remember this table, easily you can find the value of the higher unit to lower unit. See here. And same way, when you will change lower unit to higher unit, then you have to do the work divide. From lower to higher, you have to do the work. What function we will use? What sign we will use? Divide. Lower to higher. Okay. Means if I will tell you to change 7000 milliliter to liter. Milliliter. See, I told you this table is given in decreasing order. That means first written highest, then lower, at last is lowest. Milliliter is lower unit and liter is higher unit. And you know 1 liter that is equal to 1000 milliliter. See here, liter and milliliter. After liter, how many term is here? Deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Means how many zero will be here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1 liter 1000 milliliter. Then here 7000 milliliter. You can write this 1000 milliliter, that is 1 liter. Then 1 milliliter, that is 1 by 1000 liter. Okay. So what is here? 7000 milliliter. 7000 milliliter. 1 milliliter is 1 by 1000. Then 7000 milliliter is 7000 by 1000. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, and this one will be the liter. Then it will be the 7 liter. It will be the 7 liter. It is very easy to convert higher unit to lower unit, but you have to just remember the table of this measurement. Decreasing order, and the values easily you can find and multiply. One question I will take from your book. First question is change the given to milliliter. Change the given to milliliter. Milliliter. What is given in first question? 8 liters. 8 liters. Students, 8 liters. Where is liter? Here. Where is milliliter? Here. This liter is here. So first you write the value of liter. 1 liter. 1 liter, that is how much? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1000 milliliter. Okay. And what I told, कि from higher to lower, you have to, for changing the unit from higher to lower, you have to do the work, multiply. You have to multiply. So 8 liter, that is 8 into 1000 milliliter, and it will be equal to 8000 milliliter. Same way, one more question I will take from the question number 1. 5 liter 750 milliliter. 5 liter, 5 liter and 750 milliliter, and you have to change it in milliliter. Student, this one is already in milliliter, and this number you have to change. This one is given in liter. So how you have to write? 5 liter and plus what is given here? 750 milliliter. First you write this, and after then what we have to do? We have to change the liter, and you know 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So you have to write here, in place of liter you have to write 1000 and milliliter, plus this one will be the 750 milliliter. In the bracket you write, since 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter. You can write. Okay. Then it will be the 5 ones are 5 and 0 0 0 milliliter plus 750 milliliter. You write milliliter as it is. Then it will be the 5750 milliliter. Okay. This is the way to convert the higher unit to lower unit. Now second question is given here. Change the given to liters. Now students, milliliters is given. You have to change in liter. Question is here, change in liter. And what is given here? 5750 milliliter. First you see milliliter, milliliter is the lowest here, and liter is largest than milliliter. So we have to convert the higher to lower. We have to convert the lower to higher. We have to convert lower to lower is given. We have to change it in higher unit. You have to change it in higher unit. And I told you कि from lower to higher, that time we have to use the symbol divide. So you write here, first you write the value write the relation liter and milliliter. 1 liter that is 1000 milliliter. So you can write this 1000 milliliter that is equal to 1 liter. Then 1 milliliter, it will be the 1 by 1000. We have to divide it. Okay. Now what is given here? 1 milliliter is 1 by 1000. Then 5750 milliliter. 5750 milliliter, that is also equal to 15750 by 1000 liter. It will be the 5.750. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Put the point here. So it will be 5.7 liter. That is your answer. So now I explain you conversion of lower unit to higher unit and higher unit to lower unit. And I told you you have to remember this table, that is the capacity table: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. That is very important for you for converting and watching the values of the between both the what are the given there. We have to need this table. Now one more question is, add 5.75 liter, add 5.75 liter and 2.50 liter. Students, is already, you can write the simple way: 5.75 liter and 2.500 liter. Don't be confused. Here I in decimal chapter I explain you just you have to write the decimal. Where is the written the decimal points? In that, in the down you have to write the second decimal points. So that is, first number is 5.75, 5.75, and right here we written the that unit liter. Here is 2.50. So first this one is the unit place value. That is, here you write the unit place, in the down you write unit value 2, and a point in the down point you have to write the point. And what is given here? 500. So just we start after the decimal points 500. Here is nothing. Don't be confused. You put the 10, and after that here add. That means you have to put the plus sign. Add this liter 0, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12. Carry here 1, and in point here also you have to write the point. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 5 6 plus 2 8. That is your answer.